gorgeous summer day, and finally temperatures is over 20 degrees here in Norway, and taking a spin out with my brother. Finally not heated grips on and everything. Nice. We got troubles with the intercom. I think it's my microphone that has disconnected, but don't want to bother with that now. We're out on a lovely Sunday, and we are going up to a place called Veglifjell. And yeah, the weather is nice today, and I think Thomas is going to fly his drone today. So hopefully get some nice views today. With a great view. Finally got some drone footage. Probably not the best in the world, but I just have to practice. But it's a nice view. It's so nice with over 20 degrees. This is the first trip this year without heated grips. So I hope you liked also the two last videos from Ted Sweden. We had a really great time on that trip, and section 19 was very good. This was nice. Sometimes you surprise me, bro. Push the mighty Norden backwards. Thank you. I think we got a real nice waterfall on that up there. Yeah, but let's have lunch. I don't have any lunch. I have an energy bar and some water and coffee. Espen has chicken salad. Do you have chicken salad with you? Yes. Bastard. Yeah, nice stop. This is a very nice place. Yes. And a fun road to ride up. Fun to ride down with bad tires. You don't have bad tires, I have bad tires. But we're soon going to change them out because both of us are going on a service before we head to Poland. And by the time this vid comes out, there's only 1.5 weeks until we leave, and I'm so looking forward to that trip. Hopefully sunny the whole way. Hopefully sunny the whole way. But I saw some clips on Facebook on the Trans-Euro Trail. Someone has been on the Polish Tet. And there were some wet patches. There's even snow. Yeah, it is. And this is only a 45-minute ride from home. We are very lucky to have this just around the corner. $40 plus 40, that's 80, bro. Snow. Yeah, we get snow. You make a snowball up here, or a snowman. making. The faff with the movie making. There's not often there is no wind up here, so there was no trees here and nothing, so a good place to, good place to practice. There's a nice view up here. So I think we're going to call it for the day. Got to fly the drone, stopped at a nice place to have a little bit of lunch. See you in Poland. Yeah, I think there's going to be a few vids before Poland, but we're getting close to Poland. Yep. So from me and my brother, see you in the next one, people. Bye. Say bye, Espen. Bye, 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 bye. Yeah, yeah.